I guess it's time to take up this floor. Okay. You're gonna see what I see. I'm gonna see if I can't get this floor up without damaging it too much. I don't know where I'm gonna set you up. Maybe right here. How's that? Okay. Maybe over here, and that'll keep that light off of it for right now. Okay. This is that tongue and groove. And it's been down 15 years. I mean, it looks fine. There's a groove in there and a tongue there. I think somebody could use that stuff if they needed to. Gotta be worth something. I'm trying to keep my carbon footprint a little bit less. You know, instead of throwing this away. And I had some of this raised up because I had it with a shovel. And when I first get it, I just have to get it up high enough so it doesn't start breaking the tongues, you know. Once I get a row, I think I'll be okay. Right? There it comes. There we go. And let's see. There's the tongue. So I might want to start taking it from here this way. Once I gotta get a row going first, right? I might mess up a couple of them, but not too many, I don't think. Oh, it might be easier going that way because it's nailed or stapled down in there. So we'll just have to see. Trick is getting a strip going, right? Rightio. Once I get a little bit going here, then I'll be in better shape. Okay. I'm not going to get too rambunctious at the start. If I had a 2x4, I could really get under there, couldn't I? Okay, I'm gonna get my shovel. I'm gonna get my shovel, see if I can't wedge that down in there. Well, that's all I have for this time, but I'll be back with more videos.